Okay, guys, it's your boy Nico, aka 360 Nico, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix an iPhone. This is what my screen looks like. It's all jacked up. Alright, so it's not. This is what the iPhone looks like, jacked up too. I just dropped a piece. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay, so there's this rubber piece to the home button. So you'll put it down right there so it doesn't scratch. Make sure it fits in so when you put your button in, it does not scratch it and mess it up. So you can't click down. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And then make sure it goes down. Yeah, my little sister right there doing her YouTube.
And this little that says why
Yes, ended. It's ended. Okay, so
practicing on one.
So
this is
when you get that in, you just leave it there. Then you get your screen. You either want your new one or you can use your same one. And guys, you putting yourself in risk, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please, to give this video 10 or 20 thumbs ups, and yeah, just give it likes. Yeah, I don't care about these haters though, so you guys can hate all you want. So the haters at the end of the day they give me subscribers. So thanks, haters. Don't know why y'all hating. Shit.
No, me and Nico are making a YouTube channel.
Alright, guys, then either you could charge this for 1 hour, and if it doesn't work then you can use your hair dryer, flip it over on the back, heat the whole surface. Wait, let me show you. Or this, not the black, the Apple logos and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, like that. Go add me on Musical.ly. Can you turn that down? And yeah, you can add me on Instagram. Yeah, it is Gucci, lowercase, everything's lowercase, Gucci_gang 540. Yeah, so
Here, you can plug it in right here.
there, and